So welcome back to this channel IBM Classes, and I'm creating this video on retrieving single row into host variable from a file. So let's discuss. So here I'm selecting cust name, cust age into L name and L age. So these are actually the host variables. So if any variable declared in your program or in your SQL RPGL program, you can say, and that is used with some SQL statements, then they are known as host variables. So basically, they how we can uh, know that this is a host variable. So before using that variable, we will be using the prefix colon. So we will be prefixing them with colon. So colon L name is a host variable and colon L age is another host variable. Now we are selecting the name and age in these two host variables using the third host variable in where clause. So we are providing this the value in this host variable using into the cust id, which is called here lid, and we are retrieving the values of cust name and cust age into host variable l name and l age from case3 pf file. So here we just handle the SQL code, where if SQL code is 0 means record fetched into the host variables, if SQL code is 100 record not found. So this is the one way to fetch the only one row, because id must be unique for everyone. And if suppose we really ensure that only one row should fetch, then uh, we will be using the syntax like this: SQL statement select cust name cust age into l name lh host variables from case3pf fetch first one row. So we are only fetching the one row. If in case someone inserted two rows for that id, so we will be using fetch first one row only with that, so that we will ensure that we will be getting only one row. So this is the end of program. Now I'm compiling this program. Just debug this program. So I'm passing LID as 4. So we can see currently this is blank. So after executing this statement, we have value in name and age. So corresponding to ID 4, we have fetched name and age from the table case3pf. If SQL code is 0, yes, SQL code is 0 because values have been retrieved into the host variables. So it will display record fetched into the host variables. Now since L name is Sina and L age is 45, now it will fetch the first row. So first row will contain the name Abhay and age will be 30. So if I look at the table, so this is the first row which is fetched, Abhay and 30, and which we have queried for, which is 4 on the first query. So this is correct. So using this host variable concept, we can fetch only one row into the host variable from the tables. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time. Sorry for that.